Hey guys, Matt from Modern Realty here. We're at 206 Salas Street in Yigo. We got a 2009 built 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square foot home on a 456 square meter lot, which is about 1/8 of an acre. Fully fenced, looks super cute. Just drove the neighborhood. Neighborhood's real nice. We've got 4-way stop signs, bus stops right down the road, lots of kids to play with. We're gonna flip you around and give you a tour. So scanning, here's the yard, carport. Walk around the property real quick. We got a tile sidewalk extension, slider off the side, off the kitchen right here. So kind of like a little dining room area. I'll show you when we go inside. Fenced yard all the way around. I see, looks like new spigots have been added. It looks like they've done some work, some cleanup. They just got to get this out of here. There's actually a pad underneath this for your grill or, a storage shed, whatever you want to put there. We got the accordion type shutters. Split ACs are lifted up in the air. So that's great. I got a rip screen, but no big deal. Easy to fix. Go ahead and walk inside. So you walk into your living room space. So zoom you out, but a nice large living room space over here on the left. You pretty much do however you want. There's a window here, so TV, couch on one side, or vice versa. It's wired for cable. New inverter type split unit AC, so should be good on electrical. Ceiling fans running. Zooming over to our right. So here's the kind of dining room area I was talking about before, with the slider going off to the side. Panning over to our kitchen. Does have white appliances, but if you don't like those, pretty easy to upgrade and swap everything out. This is a solid surface countertop, so real nice construction there. Here's your panel. Yep, so 200 amp service. Everything's labeled. I do believe this was previously rented to military, so that's why you see a lot of the labels. Interior doors have been replaced, so they're nice. This is bedroom 1. Split AC, ceiling fan, closet with the closet system. Across the hall in the main space is your washer dryer. So the washer looks fairly new. The dryer looks a little old. We have the linen closet, which is nice. Correction, the hot water heater. But you could put some shelving over the top. That's what I would recommend. Main bath. Not newly updated, but pretty nice. Here's bedroom 2. I have a little desk for doing some work, closet system, and again, the new interior doors. And then we'll check out the master. So here's the master. Definitely the biggest room of the 3. Same style closet with the desk / makeup area, but wouldn't be too hard to convert that to a closet for more space. And then the master bath. Again, similar style to the main bath. Not super fancy, but nothing wrong with it. And you have 2 tubs, which is also uncommon on Guam. All in all, I think looks pretty nice. So we'll walk back out. We got these are 9-foot ceilings right here, and then you have really high ceilings because it peaks up at the top. So the space, even though it's only 1,300 square feet, not a lot of wasted space, and really feels big. I actually think this feels bigger than my house, and mine's a few hundred square feet bigger, just because of the way it's laid out. But just one last look. You can always flip back through. But thanks for joining me today. Again, this is 206 Salas Street in Yigo. We're right off of Route 1, you know, just right down the street from the Air Force Base. It's listed at $395,000. So if you like it, let me know, and we can make it happen for you. Thanks, and y'all have a good day.